What's going on? What's up? So I was gonna go in the food line and get me something for lunch. I'm like, I don't want another hamburger patty. I'm just gonna order me a salad on DoorDash. Because that's really what I want. So anyway, good morning. I hope everybody's doing great. This is day 10. I don't think I said day 9 yesterday, and I should have. Maybe I did, don't remember. I should have said day 9 yesterday because it was Sex in the City Day, and just like that day, and then it was also Chase Elliott Day. Okay, day 10 of Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas, happy Vlogmas. And of course, this is my last day that I'm testing out the Lisa Eldridge foundation. I did film yesterday right before I got ready to go out the door, because when I got outside it was too dark to film. And of course, you'll know all that stuff in the video, and I'm gonna try to put everything in there, so it might be a little long. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I'm trying to give it a good effort instead of just saying, oh, it works great. Well, it does work great. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it does work great. So anyway, today we're wearing that. We're wearing, what the heck was that? We did get some rain last night, not much, but we got a little bit. I'm wearing the Patrick Star palette. I can't remember what it's called. Cocoa something. I just lightly applied it, didn't go overboard since I was gonna wear the red lip. And that's pretty much it. My blush today is Dainty from MAC. I love that blush. I love it in the wintertime because it reminds me of snow. And my highlighter is from Jeffree Star's Peppermint Frost palette that he did. That was a limited edition for a box, Christmas mystery box. And of course my mascaras Thrive. The primer, and I forget to link it down below or list it, whatever, is the L'Oreal Paradise primer, the pinky one. Love that one. If you don't want to buy the Lancome one, that's the one I recommend at the drugstore. Then what else? Okay, the lipstick is the House of Sillage. House of Sillage. And oh, let's park here. Ain't nobody coming. I get stressed when there's people behind me waiting on me. I don't know why, but I do. And let's see, what else? What else? I set the foundation today with the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. I always want to call it Bare Essentials because that's what it was when it first started. I remember those QVC days. All right, let's see if I can find. Okay, this is the primer I used today. This is the Porefessional Matte Rescue Primer. Now this is the one I also use under the Seint. I really like it. If you have any oil in your face, it will matte it out. Matte it out. Get it matted out. All right, I'm trying to find that lipstick. Of course, I can't never find what I'm looking for. Maybe it's in my little plastic bag here. My little plastic bag. Here comes this man. He parks beside me. He's gonna think I'm crazy talking to the camera. Oh well, he'll just have to get over it. Okay, this is House of Sillage. And this is one of those refills when it's not wanting to come up, so you have to take it out. This is what it looks like. Formula is fantastic. It's long lasting, but it's not dry. What color is this? Queen. Queen. That's right, for the Queen. No, just kidding. This was given to me by Sylvia. She passed it on to me because she's not a red girl. Although I think it looked beautiful on her. So Dave just sent me a text. He was going to start work. That's good. That's good for him. All right, I got another box. And I know y'all are thinking, God, Vicki, you've got to quit spending money. And I know that. Anyway. What the heck? Anyway, this is the most I've ever spent on brushes in my entire life. Now, I do not like real animal hair brushes. It's not my thing. Has nothing to do with, I just don't like them. I don't know why. You know, it's not that I use everything cruelty free, because that's not true. I just prefer synthetic brushes. And I know there's some products that probably apply better with animal hair brushes, but I just prefer synthetic brushes. Anyway. This is the collab with Allie, Dawson, and Blinged Brushes. Now, Allie watched me. She was one of the first. I don't think she was the first, but she was one of the first other YouTubers that commented on my channel when I first started. Now, I don't think she's watched it since. I don't know. If she has, she hasn't commented. She is young enough to be my daughter. She is sweet as she can be. She tells it like it is. I mean, if there's something she don't like, she will tell you. She's like me. She'll be honest about it. She'll be respectful, but she'll be honest. And anyway, she has always raved about Blinged Brushes. And so it didn't shock me that her first collab ever would be with Blinged. So I ordered, because if anybody knows me, they know I'm a bling girl. I like bling. And I'm gonna say something and I don't want to upset anybody, but I saw a comment talking about Quacker Factory sweaters. And I loved Quacker Factory sweaters on QVC years ago. Now, I got out of the trend, not gonna lie, I did, but I still have them. Would not part with them whatsoever. So when I saw the comment, it didn't hurt my feelings, but I'm thinking, people so mean. And I know I'm not the nicest person whatsoever sometimes, but that lady was one of the nicest ladies that I think has ever been on QVC. Of course, she's passed away now. Her daughter does it now. I don't watch QVC as often as I once did, but it just made me sad. Anyway, because her sweaters were blinged, and you know, they were always out there. Can't help it. I love them. I still love them to this day. I still wear them. I've got one on my desk that I keep if I get cold. It's the one with the chickens on it. Okay, Blinged Brushes by Allie Dawson, launching December 3rd at 12 p.m. Of course, this is the card that's in the box. And I'm just going to open up and just show you a couple of them because I don't want this video to get so long. But Allie works for Disney, or she did. I don't know if she still does. I don't watch every one of her videos anymore, but I do keep up with her. She got, you know, laid off during COVID, so I don't know if she's actually gone back yet or not. because she worked for a third-party company. So, and it may have been she decided that she would just do YouTube full-time. I know her husband worked, so, you know, I don't know if she's back at Disney or not. Anyway, I know her family's always worked at Disney. She's in Orlando, you know. Anyway, so she chose red for Mickey Mouse. She loves red, and that was why I wore the red lipstick today. So here is one of the brushes. As you can see, it's blinged out. Now, I don't know how special these brushes are other than they're blinged out. Now, I know that the bling is, you know, handcrafted. So it takes a while to get these brushes back in stock. So if they go out of stock, then they, you know, sometimes may not come back. But here, they remind me of Sigma. They're very nice, very soft. You know, I'm sure they're, you know, I mean, they're not Sonia G or Wayne Goss. Now, that one I like. That one feels good. That one feels good. I've seen that they smell like peppermint. The reason I did that was because she put peppermint candy in them. And then there's also a, and I got the entire set. There's also a bag that you get with it. So I'll report back on those brushes just to let you know if they're worth it or not. Now there is a handwritten note here. And of course it's not personalized, but anyway, there is a handwritten note. And the box is lined in satin. Very nice box you can keep. So you like that. So I'm very impressed with that. And they are sold individually. I do think most of the sets did sell out, but I think they're sold individually. Of course, I'll link it below. I have no affiliate code. Allie does. I'll list her affiliate code if you want to use it. I'm not trying to get an affiliate code. I'm just showing you what I purchased. I'm trying to be more supportive of smaller brands and people that I really enjoy watching if they do a collab. I do have the Angie brushes with BK Beauty. I will talk about those more in another video. That's about all I got to say today. I am wearing something that some people might not like. It's a dog. It's a Scotty dog with the ribbon around it. It could be probably, and you know, I honestly think most all of this Christmas stuff, holiday attire, all came on from the Quacker Factory lady. I honestly believe she's the one that started the trend many years ago. So make fun of her all you want to, but I can guarantee you her daughter now is raking up the benefits, as they say. And as I've always said, if you don't like it, you don't have to wear it. Right? Right. So, what else can I talk about real quick? Not much. Watched Marsha this morning. Marsha, thank you so much for the shout out. I truly appreciate it. And I did watch Kim yesterday. She went to an antique store. I haven't looked to see if Linda posted anything yet. It's not showing up in my feed, so I have to hunt. I did watch Kathleen this morning, Design and Entertaining. If you've never watched Kathleen, you might enjoy her if you like house. She also does some makeup, but she likes to do tablescapes. She's very talented. Very nice lady. Very nice lady. Who else did I watch this morning? I watched IntheFrow. The reason I watched her was I saw on Instagram she had a reel where she got a Jimmy Choo advent calendar. So I was going to see if she had opened it up on her channel, but she hasn't. But it was like she only opened up day one, and I have no idea how much it costs. I don't even know if it was for sale. He may have just done it for people and then sent it to them. but I can only imagine what it cost. I do have an advent calendar that I will start opening on the 12th. It's only 12 days, so I'll open it up on the 12th. And it's makeup related. I'm not going to tell you what it is though, but it's makeup related. It was one of those that it was a little pricey, but it was stuff I knew that I would use. I wasn't going to buy one if I didn't think I was going to use it. And I know a lot of people do advent calendars during Vlogmas, and the one I really wanted was the Charlotte Tilbury, but I don't have that kind of, well, I need to stop that and say I don't have that kind of money. I didn't want to spend that kind of money on it. I'll put it that way. If I can buy this other stuff, I could have bought that. But I just didn't want to spend it on an advent calendar because I didn't know how big they were going to be. The little drawers didn't look very big, and I thought, I'm not paying $300. Of course, you could have got it for $150 on Black Friday, but I was not going to pay that much for travel sizes, even though it was 24 days, I think, or 25 days. I don't know. I just wasn't going to do it. And then now that I start thinking about the one I bought, it wasn't nowhere near that. But anyway, it was enough. I'll put it that way. Anyway, I'm going to shut up. So I hope y'all have a great Friday, and I will talk to y'all later. And I'm going to film the house this weekend. I'm going to film my Lisa Eldridge video, and I may film the products I'm disappointed in. So I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.